Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 10, Session 39, Dilution. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to use dilution logic and the equation M1V1 equals M2V2. Listen for these key terms: dilution, stock solution, concentrated, dilute, M1V1. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Dilution lowers concentration by adding solvent. The amount of solute stays the same, but the total volume increases. This is why the equation M1V1 equals M2V2 works. Moles before dilution equal moles after dilution. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Use M1V1 equals M2V2 when the solute amount is unchanged. Make sure both volumes use the same unit. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Preparing a diluted solution. How much 2.00 m stock solution is needed to prepare 250 milliliters of 0.500 m solution? Use M1V1 equals M2V2. 2.00V1 equals 0.500 250 milliliters. V1 is equal to 62.5 milliliters. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here is a second example. A common mistake is adding 250 milliliters of water to 62.5 milliliters stock. That would make the final volume 312.5 milliliters, not 250 milliliters. Dilution instructions usually mean dilute to the final volume. Now answer this self-check. During dilution, what happens to moles of solute? A strong answer should include, they stay the same. Hint, solvent is added, but solute amount is conserved. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Find the stock volume needed to make 100 milliliters of 0.25 m solution from 1.0 m stock. Task 2. Explain the difference between adding 250 milliliters water and diluting to 250 milliliters. Task 3. Use particle pictures to show concentrated and diluted solutions. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.